go ahead and turn off this AC. Sacrifice a little bit. So here's what's going on. I ended up grabbing this unit at Harbor Freight a while back. I made this stand for it so it can cut vertically. So this is a BAUER metal bandsaw, and I'm going to show you guys how I changed the blade. So obviously this is custom here, so I have to take out this plate here first. I'm going to take that out, and it's just going to be an easy procedure. So we're going to do that. So I ended up getting this a while back. It's a kit here, comes with 2 blades. I'm up to my 2nd blade. Let's install her, right? So this is what I bought. This is the 2-piece set, and I already used one of them. So this is the last of it, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So let me go ahead and take out this surface plate here. Just a heads up, if you're interested in watching the build video on this, I can always post it here on this channel. There you have it. Okay. Oh, there goes that screw. This here is an adapter piece I made out of G10. Alright, so now I'm here. Just gonna sweep this up a bit over here. Okay, so here is a lever. Press up on that lever, it releases the pressure on the top wheel. Okay, and then use 2 hands and gently pry out that blade without cutting yourself, right? Don't want to cut yourself. Now, the key is to bend it back, and then it can come out. You can't see, but it's really not that difficult. So keep in mind that your teeth, the direction is facing down, and that's how you're going to install it. Okay. All right, so here's the new one. And it looks like it's old, but it's not. It's brand new. It's just been sitting with an open box. It actually created a little bit of rust here. And it did. Alright, so now I'm looking at the teeth mark here, teeth pattern. So I do know that it runs this way, and that's where you want teeth to hit your steel, is downwards. Okay? So this is how I'm going to install it. So again, put it through the bearings, 2 bearings. See these 2 bearings? Let's see if I can get in here a little closer. Okay. Let me see where it's at. So right there is how you want it. Okay. See that? Okay. Up top, down, loops. There it is right there. Up, in between those 2 pulleys, the one right there, the corner right there. Yeah. Up, up, up. In between the other 2. And your teeth are facing down. Okay. Let me zoom out a bit. Let's see if I can put the tension on here. Let me just get this lined up. Of course, it always kicks back out. As soon as you try to do the slight little mod to it. So now, when you get it like that, right, hold it, and let me see if I can, now that lever, this lever here, pull it back up, and right there, and of course, it wants to play with it. Yeah, that always happens, especially when you're recording. That's how it goes with these. Okay, put it back in, like that, okay, right there is how I want it. Okay, let's see. Okay, get that level, and tighten. Okay, let's see where we at. She's looking good. Let me do a little test on it. I have here a little switch. Ready? Just that, so it can set into place. Now I'm just gonna go and make sure everything's okay. 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 Let me take this off the tripod and I'll show you how it's looking. See that? Good tension. Everything's good. Your lever is down, secure. Here's the unit, by the way. Here's what I built. See that? Just recycled steel, welded. Here's the plate. And that's it. Put it back together, and you're good to go. Well, thanks for coming in, checking out this quick project. I'm gonna turn it on real quick, cover your ears. And speaking of projects, on to the next project we go.